Hey, welcome back to Chef Dawg Uncut. We're going to show you how we make our mashed potatoes here. Now there's a quick story behind it. My mom used to make them like you normally do, and then she would put condensed milk in them and then butter, right? And then mash them, and that's how I ate them for years. And then my wife, who's behind the camera right now, she had me out for a date once. This is when we were young, like 16, and she made a homemade meal for me. Well, she put sour cream in her mashed potatoes. And after that, I went back home to my mom and said, Ma, the only way I'm going to eat them from now on is if you use sour cream. So we use sour cream. So come here, can you see this? I'm going to show you how we do it. You'll use a bunch of sour cream, actually. We'll use all of this and then some. This is my kid, by the way. You see my kid here? Yeah. This is the CEO of Chef Dawg, the creator and everything. This is the guy behind Chef Dawg. So we put sour cream in there. And then, go ahead and take that. Tell him. Don't be nervous. He gets a little bashful behind the camera.
Right,
but we take a cube of butter.
It's like, how many teaspoons?
This isn't for people on Weight Watchers.
No, this isn't for people on Weight Watchers. Okay? And then I'm gonna break those up. Now the potatoes are still nice and hot. We just took them off. So I break them up in there so that they melt as you start to stir it. And then another thing that I do, and this is extremely important. I use sea salt, not your regular salt. And I use a bunch. There you go. So sea salt. Okay, now we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna mash that up. Now, I'm probably gonna use more sour cream, but I think you guys get the gist of it, right? Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna need more sour cream. So, went and bought another one last night because we figured we'd need more. But again, you want to use a bunch of sour cream. You want to have this nice and creamy. That's what makes it so good. Another thing with the way we make it, and I'm sure that a lot of you out there have had this, so nothing new, but the next day for leftovers, it is delicious still. It doesn't harden up like the milk does, right? So like next day, come over, keep talking. So like the next day, Grayson here, he'll take out mashed potatoes, heat them up, and then he'll put cheese on top of them.
Or gravy if you have any.
Or leftover gravy if we have any.
I am known in the neighborhood for having good mashed potatoes.
She is. In fact, that's why I married her. I fell in love that day.
Oh, really?
I'm like, this girl can cook and she's beautiful. Oh, sign me up. And then guess what? Now I'm the chef of the family. Go figure. Okay, so then you take your fork, kind of clean those sides, but that actually looks pretty good. So if you can see that, yeah.
Don't put your fork
Oh, I
back
won't
in.
double dip.
No double dipping.
I double dipped on the gravy. You'll see
Yeah.
that in another video. I got in trouble. I had to boil it.
Yep.
That's good. I actually could use a little bit more sea salt, so I will. But anyways, there you go. Nice, creamy, fluffy mashed potatoes with sour cream and butter and sea salt. It's the best. Give it a shot. Okay, have a good one.
See ya.
See ya.